guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. So today on this video I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple hairstyle you can achieve in less than 5 minutes. So the first thing you have to do is to put your hair in a ponytail. So you can do like a side ponytail, a slick back ponytail, or a high ponytail. I decided to do a high ponytail because that was what I felt like doing, so you can just do whatever you feel like doing. So for this hairstyle, I didn't use a lot of gel because I wanted this hairstyle to be very natural. You can go ahead and add more gel if you feel like you need more gel. And after that, I went ahead and did my edges. Yep, I know I'm not using the right brush for my edges, so I don't want you guys to come for me. I know this was literally like a last minute hairstyle, so I was just working with whatever I see. So don't come for me in the comment section. I know I'm not using the right brush. Okay. Let me tell y'all something. If you are a girl when you do your hair by yourself, you need this puff. Like, you need it. You have to get it. Like, you need this puff. Like, this puff have saved my life so many times. You guys don't understand. Like, this puff was from Amazon, I think. I've had this puff for like a year or less. I don't remember. But if I find a link to it, I'll be sure to put it on the description box. So this puff comes with adjustable straps and 2 combs. So you want to go ahead and like stick the comb to your hair. I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, but I'm sure you guys know how to put a puff in. It's very easy. And you don't want to make it too tight, because if you make it too tight, your head is gonna hurt. Like, it's gonna hurt you. So you want to make it loose, not too loose and not too tight. You get what I'm saying? Not too loose and not too tight. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
And they say love can hurt, but seeing a smile will get you every time.